industry generally is a multi-million-dollar business, guys. When I mean multi-billion-dollar business, it's entirely profitable. Anything you do with skincare will sell. So people want to start their skincare businesses, giving you steps, guidelines on how to start your own skincare business in this industry. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Startup with Breakthrough. And on this channel, you're going to be getting all the juice on how to start your business, how to run your business. I also share personal stuff, vlogs, travel, just personal opinions, right? So if you have not come on this vlog before and you've not watched my videos before, please, I would advise that you subscribe, turn on your post notifications to get notifications when I post new videos. Video and on today's vlog, I'm going to be talking about something that is really sensitive. I know that a lot of people want to start their skincare businesses. I've had conversations, I've had people ask questions: how do I start a business in the skincare industry? How do I position my brand, and how do I position myself in the skincare industry? So I'm going to be giving you steps, guidelines on how to start your own skincare business in this industry. Guess what? This industry generally is a multi-million-dollar business, guys. When I mean multi-billion-dollar business, it's entirely profitable. Anything you do with skincare will sell, guys. It will sell. So it all depends on your strategy, your positioning, how you want to sell, and how you want your business to grow. So everything is strategy, but I'm going to share the simple tips for you as a new business owner, how to position yourself, your skincare brand for profitability, and how to stand out from the crowd. Well, the most important thing I always talk to people about when it comes to skincare is to get some form of training in skincare. It doesn't have to be elaborate. You don't have to do like a full degree, but there are academics that you can have 6-month courses, 3-month courses, 9-month courses, 12-month courses. Just go for those courses so that you're able to understand the industry you're going into, and you're able to have basic knowledge, so that as you're making prescriptions, recommendations for your customers and all that, you're talking from a place of knowledge. You're not guessing work and all that. But skincare is very sensitive, very sensitive. So if you are making mistakes or you're recommending the wrong things to your customers, sooner or later people are going to know that you don't know what you think you know, and that means your business is going to close down sooner than you think. So get some form of knowledge. Don't do businesses randomly. In 2022, stop doing what other people are doing. They wake up one morning, see somebody doing something, they jump on it. It is not going to work. Yes, you're going to still make mistakes aside knowing what to do, but the mistakes you're going to make are not going to be so big. You're not going to lose money as much as you would have lost money just doing things blindly. So I always advise, take a course. Take a course. If you don't have money for taking courses, there are academics in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. There are courses on Coursera, there are courses on Udemy, there are stuffs online. Learn. Do some form of experiment yourself to understand the things you want to refer to people, to understand the things you want to sell. So before I continue, I always try to give people like a list of businesses that are under a particular industry, so that you're understanding what you're getting into and you have a broad list to pick out from. So I'll just give like a fine list or summarized list of 6 businesses that are super profitable in the skincare industry. The first business you can try in the skincare industry is formulation and white labeling. What does this mean? You have an experience and expertise on how to formulate good formulations for skincare problems, for skincare issues, either for kids, for adults, etc. But you have this experience. You can fine-tune this experience by creating products, using reliable, original pharmaceutical products and chemicals to create products for a particular target audience. And it's important for you to understand that for different things sells for different target audience. Kids skincare is a big industry. I know brands that are making it. There's Mo Baby brands that are making it in this industry, providing and formulating skincare products for kids. And the range goes from hair issues, skin rashes. So they formulate creams, they formulate soaps, they formulate hair conditions, they formulate hair shampoos and all that. So there are a lot of things, there are a lot of industries. Like the industry is very profitable. So you can choose to do formulation and creating creams and products for a particular target audience. And I've made a list for kids. So you can either target kids, or you can target mothers, you can target young girls who are looking for skin products that would solve a certain skin issue or would just make them bright. You see people that say, I want to glow, like I want to glow. So you can do something for them and that would sell. But as I always say, get some basic knowledge, be good at what you're doing. Don't just come and start mixing things up for people. The second thing on my list for skincare businesses that you can try is importation and retailing of skincare products from different countries. You can import from UK, you can import from Korean, you can import from the US, just different products, pharmaceutical skincare and just general skincare. So you can even, like, you can start from anywhere when it comes to skincare. So if you don't want to do formulation, you can buy formulated items. You can also buy from Nigerian based brands, but generally you can import and retail these items. The next business you can start in the skincare industry is the like consulting job as a skincare expert. So you can do consultation, you can be a dermatologist, an esthetician. They are different, like there is a whole broad conversation and careers under the skincare experts consultancy. So you can decide to be a consultant, preferring or prescribing creams, prescribing solutions for skincare issues for adults, for young children. Like it spreads abroad, so you can pick whatever it is that works for you. The next thing you want to do in the skincare industry is to be able to sell raw materials or packaging materials for skincare brands that are formulating their items. So you don't want to do the formulation, you don't want to retail the creams that have been formulated, you don't want to be the one giving people prescribing items. You can actually sell the raw materials, sell the packaging products like the tubes, the cups. Like you can decide to sell the raw material is a thing. The next business you want to do in the skincare industry that will get you money in 2022 is content creation, skincare content creation. You can be the voice for skincare brands and you can be the doctor for people, right? You can be the one person that people want to hear your opinion about a skincare brand. And you can do this by just buying different skincare, working with different skincare brands to test items on your body and be able to tell people what it feels like, if what the brand says if what the brand says is true. So you can be that skincare content creator. You are recommending stuff for people, and please, as I always say, please do business and work with people or provide solutions or recommendation from a place of knowledge, which is the reason why I made getting knowledge, doing your research and getting like a kind of course, doing a course in skincare the first thing, because it's really, really important. It gives you the basics on what to go to, where to start, and how to go about it, guys. So this list I've given you are the typical and most popular trendy businesses in the skincare. There are a lot more things to do, there are a lot more things in the same skincare, a lot more businesses to try in the skincare industry, but this list would help you pick what to do. So now let's go to what we came for. Let's begin what we started for this video. So my aim in this video is to be able to tell you how to start. I've told you the first thing, I've given you a list of businesses you can try, because with these businesses it will help me explain the next point to you, which is number 2. Be able to get a niche, carve a niche for your brand. Don't come and start doing what everybody is doing. So I would give you 4 different brands that I have patronized, skincare brands that I have patronized, that are in the skincare industry, and they are making bloody money in this industry, but they are doing different things and they have different niche carved for them. So the first brand I'm going to talk about is my friend's brand, Essential Hub, right? What she does is that she sells imported original UK, US, Korean brands, and she sells it in Nigeria here only on Instagram. Now I'm going to call someone else who seems like a competition in same thing she's doing is Buy Better. Buy Better is a skincare brand. They have affiliations with brands and they import these items and they sell on their Instagram and on their website. But Buy Better has put themselves as an affordable brand. And my friend is like luxury high-end skincare brands. So you can see Fenty on her items. You can see a lot. If you know skincare and you know that skincare costs money and you're looking for skincare that costs money, Essential Hub is your plug. If you're looking for affordable skincare, Buy Better is your plug. But you can see that they are doing almost the same thing, but the positioning is different, the niching is different. One thing, it can just be one thing you do differently from whatever people are doing at the moment to be able to separate your business or to be able to make your business stand out in the conversation. So that's one. Pick a niche. You also see people formulating. So in Nigeria we have a lot of formulation brands, Formulation brand means that these brands are formulating this cream, doing their own mix-up, and people are buying. And it's important to note at this point that it's not everything you buy. See, I don't validate and I don't endorse brands that use chemicals for their creams, whether it's cocoa, Morocco bleaching cream, something lighting cream, something fairing cream, Snow White cream. I don't endorse, but skincare is a personal thing, so let people make their decisions, right? But formulation is a thing, but different brands do different things. So you have Arami, they formulate their own items or their skincare products from shea butter, and they are all for natural stuff that won't change your color, that is good for the black skin. Everything is about positioning and strategy. There are also brands that, you have Body Organics, and their brand is that, you get fairer glowing skin, but they are not using bleaching products, they are not using harmful or chemical products, and they are a high-end brand. You also have other small brands that are also doing almost same thing, but there is always a defining factor. There's something that differentiates each brand from themselves, which is why niching is important. As a business, when you want to start, understand what your customer pains are, understand what people are looking for. When you're able to do that mathematics and understand this, you'll be able to prescribe stuff and be able to create the right solution. So when you're saying, I want to formulate cream, you want to think of, what do my customers, people who buy formulated creams, what do they want? So people who buy formulated creams from Nigeria, they want to be fair, but they don't want dark knuckles. So have that conversation, guys. Have that conversation, do your research. But please, to be able to position yourself and be able to strategically sell and become profitable in the skincare industry, niching is typically important. Niching is very, very important. The next thing you want to do is to test run your business. So skincare is not something you just go to the market and start selling. If you're someone who is doing formulation and all that, number 3 is be able to create your formulations and test run your business. If you're someone who wants to import and all that, start on a small scale. So you're able to understand what people are asking for, and you're able to go align your business goal to what customers want, because your business goal is supposed to be providing solutions to customers' problems. So being able to do that alignment will help you make money, will help your business become profitable on the long run. So try to test run. Whatever it is you want to do a small scale start of it and see what conversations are, get feedback and understand what people want, so you're able to align better and be able to provide the real solution to people's problems. The next thing you want to do is that you want to brand your business. So there are a lot of skincare, a lot, like it's one of the easiest business to start. So barrier to entry in the industry is really, really low, which means if you want to stand out, your branding has to be top notch. Your branding has to be key. And when I'm talking about branding, I'm not just talking about your logo, your colors. Those are in the conversation, but they are just the little part of the conversation. When I'm talking about branding, I'm talking about what does your brand stand for? Is it a sustainable brand? What are your raw materials? What is the communication you're having with your customers? When people talk about your brand, when people talk about your business, what angle do they see it at? Is it one of those bleaching brands? Is it one of those natural brands? What is it? Like you as a person, if you're going to build a personal brand as a skincare content creator, what do people know you for? What are you preaching? What are you endorsing in the skincare industry? So think about your brand in a way that is going to communicate to the end what your brand stands for and what you as a person stands for, because skincare is personalized. People are buying skincare products from some brand influencers because they like the way their skin is, they like this, they like that. So your branding has to be able to communicate that, and then being able to communicate that is being able to understand who are your target audience, what will they go for, what are their pain points, how can you position yourself as that brand that will solve their pain point, because they already have people solving this problem already. What are you bringing differently? What's your USP? What is it that is different about your brand? So being able to not just know that you're bringing something different, but being able to communicate that to your customers, being able to say, this is it, and let them understand, communicating in the tone that your customers will understand. So it's really important to work on your branding so that it goes forth to show what you stand for, and it's able to bring those kind of customers that you want your way, because branding is going to communicate in the kind of influencers you work with. If you work with influencers that are endorsing every bleaching product and your brand is an all natural brand, you're confused. So it's not going to communicate what you want as a brand so well. The next thing you want to do after branding is start selling. start selling, guys. Start selling. So don't feel that, oh, I need a perfect time, perfect product, perfect branding, perfect color, perfect this, perfect that. Start selling and start getting feedback from customers. It's really important for you to get feedback, because in the skincare industry, what people see is what they buy into. So start sending out test items to people, influencers, so that they start giving you feedback, so you start understanding what people want, and also start putting out those feedback so that people can understand that your brand is legit, your brand has good products. So that way you'll be able to start your skincare business and you'll be able to run it smoothly. Now, this is just the starting part, because my expertise and my biggest mission is to get people started. So as you continue to run your business, you also need to learn a lot of things about growing your business, positioning your brand, accounting, bookkeeping, and all that. But this is the reason why you have to stay on this channel. Subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be sharing everything you need along your road of starting your business. I also have old videos that can help you get started. So click on this channel, subscribe, and turn on your post notification, and see you on the next one. If this video was helpful, please comment in the comment section. If you have any question to ask me, my email address is available, my Instagram handle is available, my Twitter handle is available. Send all your questions, and do have a wonderful day.